Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best cordless electric trimmer of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description. Product 1: Tondu's Dragon Vintage T9 Cordless Electric Trimmers. The Tondu's Dragon Vintage T9 Cordless Electric Trimmers represent a cutting-edge solution in professional hair grooming for men. Designed as cordless electric clippers, these trimmers offer a high level of convenience and flexibility for precise and efficient hair cutting. The Vintage T9 model is specifically crafted for professional use, ensuring a seamless experience for barbers and individuals seeking salon-quality results at home. Equipped with advanced features, the Tondu's Dragon Vintage T9 provides a powerful and efficient hair cutting experience. The cordless design eliminates the restrictions of a power cord, allowing for unrestricted movement during grooming sessions. The trimmers are not only versatile, but also exhibit a vintage aesthetic, combining modern technology with a classic design. These electric trimmers are engineered with precision in mind, making them suitable for a variety of haircutting styles. The clipper haircutting machine ensures a smooth and even for different grooming needs. The professional-grade performance of the Tondu's Dragon Vintage T9 caters to the demands of both skilled barbers and individuals who prioritize a sophisticated grooming experience. Product 2: Men Barber Shop Trimmer. The Men Barber Shop Trimmer is a cutting-edge grooming tool designed specifically for men's hair care needs. This versatile device combines the functionality of a hair-cutting machine, clipper, trimmer, and electric shaver, making it an all-in-one solution for a variety of grooming tasks. Whether you're looking to achieve a stylish haircut, maintain a well-groomed beard, or achieve a smooth shave, this tool offers the convenience and precision required for a professional grooming experience. The trimmer is equipped with advanced features that cater to the demands of a barber shop setting, ensuring a seamless and efficient grooming process. Its powerful motor and sharp blades enable clean and precise cuts, making it easy to achieve different hair lengths and styles. The inclusion of a beard trimmer further enhances its versatility, allowing users to shape and maintain facial hair with ease. Additionally, the Men Barber Shop Trimmer is designed for both corded and cordless operation, providing flexibility and convenience for users. The cordless feature is especially beneficial for those who prefer freedom of movement during grooming sessions, or for professional barbers who need to navigate around clients without being hindered by cords. This grooming tool is equipped with ergonomic design features, ensuring a comfortable grip and ease of use even during extended grooming sessions. The incorporation of modern technology in the trimmer enhances its performance, making it a reliable choice for individuals seeking a high-quality and efficient grooming experience. Product 3: Product Name. The Kamei Black Hair Clippers. The Kamei Black Hair Clippers for men represent a versatile and professional solution for haircutting needs. These cordless clippers are designed with the modern man in mind, offering the convenience of cord-free operation for hassle-free haircuts. Known for their professional-grade performance, these barber clippers are equipped with precision blades to ensure a clean and precise trim. One notable feature of the Kamei Black Hair Clippers is their USB rechargeable capability, providing a wireless haircutting experience. This feature not only adds to the convenience of use, but also makes them suitable for on-the-go grooming. With a focus on user-friendly design, these clippers are easy to handle, allowing both professionals and individuals to achieve desired haircuts with ease. Whether you are a barber looking for reliable tools for your salon or an individual seeking a high-quality grooming solution at home, the Kamei Black Hair Clippers for men offer a balance of performance and convenience. The cordless design, professional-grade make them a versatile choice for those who prioritize. Product 5: Product Name. 5-in-1 7D Rechargeable Bald Head Shavers. The 5-in-1 7D Rechargeable Bald Head Shavers Kit is a comprehensive grooming solution designed specifically for men. This versatile kit combines 5 essential grooming tools in one, offering users a convenient and efficient way to maintain their personal care routine. The kit includes a 7D electric razor with multiple shaving heads for a precise and smooth shave, making it an ideal choice for individuals who prefer a bald head look. One notable feature of this shaver kit is its rechargeable design, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The USB compatibility allows users to easily recharge the device, ensuring it is always ready for use. The LED display provides convenient battery status information, keeping users informed about the remaining charge. In addition to the bald head shaver, the kit features various attachments, such as a beard trimmer, ear and nose hair trimmer, and a facial trimmer. This multi-functionality makes the kit suitable for a range. Product name Enchen Blackstone Electrical Rotary Shaver. The Enchen Blackstone Electrical Rotary Shaver is a grooming device designed specifically for men, offering a convenient and efficient solution for shaving. One of its notable features is the 3D floating blade system, which allows the shaver to adapt to the contours of the face, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. This technology is particularly beneficial for achieving a smooth and even shave even in challenging areas. The shaver is designed to be washable, adding to its user-friendly nature. This feature simplifies the cleaning process, allowing users to maintain hygiene and prolong the lifespan of the device. The use of a Type-C USB rechargeable system is another practical aspect, providing the convenience of charging the shaver with widely available USB cables. Enchen Blackstone Electric Rotary Shaver caters to the modern man's grooming needs by combining advanced shaving technology with user-friendly features. Its washable design and USB rechargeability make it a versatile and practical choice for those seeking a reliable electric shaver for their daily grooming routine. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.